Now that we have the unit in place, powered up, and loaded with film, I want to give you an overview of the controls. Going over the display, we have the following. So going over the control panel, we'll go top to bottom and point out the controls. Very top here, we have the USB connection. This is normally covered up, but we just have it open so you can see. What that is, at the factory, we'll upload certain values to the machine of preset wrap cycles for you, so that when you get it, you have some presets. Benefit to you if you have the machine and something happens and someone kind of goes in and messes with the controls and you want it back to a factory default, we can send you an email so you can upload the USB to here and get back to factory default. Down from there, you have the power indicator. As you can see, it's blinking because the unit's on. Then you have the status indicator. If the machine's in use, that would be blinking. Then you have the start button. So that's used to start an automatic wrapping cycle. Also, if you hold the start button during a wrap cycle, it'll stop the carriage movement as the turntable continues to spin so that it reinforces wrapping in the area it was stopped at. From there, you have stop. This stops the wrapping cycle. If you hit start again, the wrap cycle will pick up where it left off. So essentially, you're pausing the wrap cycle when you hit stop. Reset initializes the machine to its home position when the machine is powered on or after an emergency. Also, let's say you hit the stop button and you wanted to start your wrap cycle all over, then you would hit reset because it's going to start from the beginning again. From there, you have the on-off button, pretty self-explanatory. From up here, actually, you do have the display. So this is when you're going through the programs, you can actually see what's on there. Then you have the jog plus and jog minus buttons. These are used to scroll through the menus and set parameter values. Then you have OK. This is used to select the menu option, enter the current view or setting level, and it's used to confirm values you have entered. From here, you have escape. This is used to exit a menu or parameter, to go back to the previous level, or to cancel the value you have entered. So below this, you have 6 icons. These are for dual usage. So the factory default is that each one is a quick select for saved pallets 1 through 6. So you can see like pallet 1, pallet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to change this, you can enable the function keys in the program in here. And what that'll do is make these live. So basically, instead of hitting this and it's pallet 1, it's turntable speed. You know, this pallet 2 would not be pallet 2, it would be tension. This would be carriage down speed. This would be up speed. This would be top wraps. This would be bottom wraps. So if you enable those functions, then as you're wrapping a pallet, and let's say you wanted to quickly speed up the turntable or set the tension higher, you can do it quickly through this way. But most of the time, and the way we send it out, it is the 1 through 6, pallet 1 through 6. That's, you know, the most part, that's how people use it. Below that, you have the emergency stop button. Just push that in and it's gonna stop the machine right away. To disengage it, just twist to the left and pull out. And then once you do that, it's gonna say press escape and it's gonna ask for a reset. So then you would reset it, then you can continue on with what you were doing.